Are you tired of a messy kitchen, cluttered pantry, and chaotic fridge? Exploding head. We all want a clean and organized home, but somehow, things always seem to pile up. What if I told you there's a way to transform your kitchen with just a few smart storage solutions? Starstruck. In this video, we'll explore some must-have organizers that will not only make your kitchen look amazing but also save you time and space. From rolling soda dispensers to airtight food containers, we've got everything you need for the ultimate home upgrade. House with garden sparkles. So, let's dive right in. Keycap 1. The rolling soda can organizer. Grab your drinks effortlessly. Imagine opening your fridge and seeing all your soda cans neatly arranged instead of rolling around everywhere. Sounds satisfying, right? Relieved face. With the Priscildan large soda can organizer, you'll never struggle to grab a drink again. The secret? A slightly sloped bottom that lets the cans roll forward automatically. No more digging through your fridge. Tropical drink. White heavy checkmark holds up to 12 cans, perfect for sodas, juices, beer, or even canned food. White heavy checkmark stackable with a lid. Maximize space by placing one on top of the other. White heavy checkmark made of clear acrylic, easily see what's inside. Trust me, once you have this in your fridge, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Keycap 2. Stainless steel soup ladle, the ultimate kitchen companion. Now, let's talk about something every kitchen needs, a good quality soup ladle. Steaming bowl. The Nunes stainless steel soup ladle is not just any ladle. It's made of 304 stainless steel, meaning it's rust-proof, heat-resistant, and built to last. White heavy checkmark 13.7-inch length, perfect for deep pots and large servings. White heavy checkmark ergonomic vacuum handle, no more burning your hands while cooking. White heavy checkmark dishwasher safe, super easy to clean. If you love making soups, stews, or even sauces, this ladle is a must-have in your kitchen. It's the kind of tool that makes cooking so much easier. 2-tier metal under sink organizer, no more messy cabinets. Raise your hand if your under sink cabinet is a total disaster. We all have that one spot in the kitchen where cleaning supplies, garbage bags, and sponges get tossed in. But with the 2-tier metal under sink organizer, you can finally keep everything neat and accessible. White heavy 4 Gorilla Grip non-adhesive drawer and shelf liner, keep everything in place. Let's talk about a small but powerful upgrade, drawer liners. Ever opened a drawer only to find everything shuffled around? Weary face. The Gorilla Grip non-adhesive liner is a simple solution that prevents slipping and protects surfaces. Strong grip, keeps items from sliding around. Mark durable and tear-resistant, built to last. Customizable size, just cut it to fit any drawer or shelf. This is one of those little investments that make a huge difference. Airtight food storage containers, say goodbye to stale snacks. If you love a tidy and Instagram-worthy pantry, you need these airtight storage containers. Package sparkles. The Topmart 24-piece set is designed for ultimate convenience. Airtight lids, keep your food fresh for longer. 4 different sizes, perfect for cereal, flour, sugar, pasta, and more. Clear design, easily see what's inside. Tight storage containers. The Topmart 24-piece set is designed for ultimate convenience. Mark airtight lids, keep your food fresh for longer. No more half-empty bags spilling everywhere. This container set will instantly elevate your pantry organization. 8-tier over-the-door pantry organizer, maximize vertical space. Last but definitely not least, the ultimate space saver. The ultimate space saver. The 8-tier over-the-door pantry organizer is perfect if you have limited cabinet space but need more room for spices, snacks, and kitchen essentials. Adjustable baskets, customize the height for different sized items. Sturdy metal construction, holds up to 80 pounds. Easy installation, hang it over the door or mount it on the wall. This organizer is a game changer for small kitchens. No more digging through crowded shelves, just grab what you need at a glance. Conclusion: your kitchen, transformed. So, there you have it. 6 must-have storage solutions that will completely change the way you organize your kitchen. Which one was your favorite? Comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe for more home organization tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.